Ever get the feeling that like the whole world is kind of holding its breath, waiting to see what happens next?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I mean, there's always something going on, right?
Exactly.
Mm.
So much going on. But sometimes, one event just jumps
It's
out
like a blip on the radar.
like a flashing red light.
Yeah.
And that's what we're diving into today. Turkish President Erdogan's trip to Pakistan. It's sparking all sorts of speculation about some pretty major defense deals.
The kind that could, really shake things up.
Big time. This is the deep dive. And today we're taking a closer look at this potential Pakistan-Turkey defense deal and what it could mean for the region.
We've been poring over reports from think tanks, defense analysts, all that good stuff.
Trying to piece together the puzzle.
Yeah.
And you know what jumps out at me?
What's that?
This isn't just about buying and selling weapons. This feels more like a strategic partnership.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Pakistan's been on a mission to modernize its military for years.
Yeah.
And Turkey, well, they've been making some serious strides in defense technology.
They're not just customers. They're
Yeah.
collaborators.
Precisely. And that's where things get really interesting.
So let's get down to brass tacks.
Hmm?
What are we actually talking about here?
Well, the centerpiece seems to be Turkey's Kaan fighter jet. It's a fifth-generation aircraft.
Like top-of-the-line stealth capabilities, the whole 9 yards?
And get this, Turkey's proposing to set up a production line in Pakistan?
Whoa, hold on. So we're not just talking about Pakistan buying a few jets.
Yeah.
They might be building them.
That's the idea. And it's not entirely out of the blue. Remember the JF-17 program?
Their collaboration with China. That's been a huge success.
Exactly. They're exporting those jets all over the place. So there's a precedent here.
But this KN,
Mm-hmm.
it's a whole different beast, technologically speaking. I mean, can Pakistan really handle that?
It'll be a challenge for sure, but they'll have Turkey's expertise. And let's not forget the potential benefits.
Like what?
Imagine Pakistan with a domestic fifth-generation fighter program. It would be a major leap forward.
It would definitely put them in a different league. Okay, so we've got the KN. What else is on the table?
Well, there's talk of joint production of the ATAC-2 heavy attack helicopter.
This one's a beast, designed for high-altitude combat, right?
Exactly. Perfect for the kind of terrain you see along the Pakistan-India border.
And from what I've read, Pakistan might actually contribute financially to the ATAC-2's development.
That's right. It's a true partnership.
So Pakistan gets cutting-edge helicopters. Turkey gets financial and technical support. It's a win-win.
Pretty much. And then there's the wild card, the thing that really caught my eye.
Oh, yeah. The jointly developed Beyond Visual Range missile.
Sounds like something out of a spy movie, right?
Totally. So BVR missiles, for those who don't know, these are air-to-air missiles that can hit targets way beyond the pilot's line of sight.
Game changer in modern air combat.
But why is this such a big deal for Pakistan? I mean, they already have pretty advanced fighter jets.
True, but they've relied heavily on imported BVR missiles. And those can be expensive.
So this joint development project would give them more control over their own defense capabilities.
Exactly. Plus, it's a clear signal that Pakistan and Turkey are serious about this partnership.
It's like they're saying, we're not just buying weapons from each other.
Yeah.
We're in this together.
Exactly. And that's what makes this whole situation so fascinating.
So let's break it down. We've got the KAN fighter jet potentially being built in Pakistan.
The ATAC-2 heavy attack helicopter, a joint production effort.
And the development of a BVR missile, giving Pakistan a homegrown solution for a key military need.
All of this points to a deepening strategic relationship between Pakistan and Turkey.
And it could have some serious implications for the balance of power in the region.
Here's the million-dollar question. Will this lead to more stability or more tension?
I guess only time will tell, but you can bet we'll be watching closely. And that's it for this deep dive into the potential Pakistan-Turkey defense deal.
We've barely scratched the surface here. There's so much more to unpack.
Oh yeah, this is a story that's just getting started. So stay tuned for more updates and analysis.
And in the meantime, keep those thinking caps on, folks. This one's going to be a wild ride.
Until next time, stay curious.